Eating good with Freddie Jean. Hey, that the camera's all crooked. Hello, happy Sunday, everyone. This is Eating Good with Freddie Jean. I'm eating light today. I made some Roman noodle soup. Look at here. Out the leftover rotisserie chicken. You see that? Yes, I'm going to eat it with a fork. I have both, the fork and the spoon. Look at that. It is so good. Look at that. Check it out. Yeah, I'm holding it because I want to make sure you see there. Hey, everyone. How are you? Happy Sunday. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, you see my food here? I said that I was going to eat the leftover steak sandwich that I had. But I decided I wanted to eat something lighter. You see it? It is so delicious. Thank you for coming on. Happy Sunday to all of you. Thank you. Eating Good with Freddie Jean. Thank you, guys. Hello, hello, all my favorite people. How are your day going today? Thank you for coming on. But this is what I made today. It is so delicious. Look at that. I have my fork and I have the spoon also. Think that. Thank you, guys. Hello. You already know. You just don't know what you want to eat sometimes. And then I say, no, that steak sandwich is going to make me sleepy. See that? I said, I'm going to make this. Hello. Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for coming on. Yes, I'm holding it. Yes, I'm still celebrating my birthday. Thank all of you. See this nice, good chicken that look. Hey, thanks, guys. Eating Good with Freddie Jean. Thank you, all you beautiful people. Thank you so kindly. I had to make this video for you. Eating good. I made this, with the leftover chicken breast. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Eating good. My time is running out. Eating Good with Freddie Jean.